Do you see that oversaturated stupid shithole? Yeah. And you think that you, with no skills, no talent, no fucking sense of humor, going to make out of this fucking shithole? Let me tell you something, man. You are wasting your time, and you know it. Your youth, also your money, because they're taking like tons of fees. Pump.fun is dying. It's like too obvious, alright? Some of the projects are still migrating somehow. For example, this one is not going to migrate. It's just a typical pump.fun rug. People make money on these type of things too, but like they know the sniper codes and whatever. So all of that crap in pump.fun, they are not really doing well if you don't have the correct tools. Most of the developers, like not having those tools, are losing money instead of making some. So what can you do to make money on this stupid degenerate shithole? Go ahead to GemGen AI. This is a good tool. I want you to check it. When you go right there, look at the new pairs. All the shit is from pump.fun. Pump.fun there, pump.fun there, pump.fun there. When you on select moonshot, it's like it was never there anyway. And pump.fun, you'll see only Raydium pools. Right? And look at their market caps. It's not a joke. So the question is, do you have fucking 85 Solanas to launch your coin on pump.fun and make it through the migration process to Raydium? Well, let's say you have that kind of money. Pump.fun will take 6 Solanas out of your pocket, and you are going to wait for some stupid kid to buy your dumb coin. And even that stupid kid buys it, you need like a lot of stupid kids, you know, like class of stupid kids to make money. I mean, it's too risky, too optimistic, alright? So what we can do on this degenerate stupid chain is just we can use a new tool called Ares.tools, right? So this tool, this is like something new, and it's changing the fucking meta. You know, when you put anything in there, it costs about like 0.1 souls to create it. And with all these options, I don't know, some other fees, but not that much, not fucking 6 Solanas, you know. So I'll put something, the most idiotic thing comes to your mind. My mind is, I'm like really bump guy, so I'm thinking about fart GPT, you know. Fart GPT is like, I think it's good. Whatever. For the image, search on Google and find anything you want. It doesn't really matter, because like they will be aping like really fast to a coin with small market cap on Raydium. When you upload it there, supply in the description, just leave them alone. You can put something funny on the description though, but just don't bother about the supply, it doesn't matter. And you gotta choose those options. Options are really important. Make sure it is safe. There's a description on the website why you have to do it. I'm not going to tell you every detail, it's some technical bullshit. So confirm every transaction, don't worry about that warning, and it's totally safe. I tried like many times. So whenever you create our token, we create our token, we just look at it on SolScan. There's the address, copy the address, and go ahead and put the create liquidity pool. As you connect your wallet, find the address of your token and put that res power based token, put Solana as code token. I personally do like 1.5. We will experiment different things later. Just subscribe and leave a comment if you want me to continue doing this series of how to make money on Solana chain, whatever. So once you initialize your liquidity pool, it will charge like 0.2, right? And then some snipers will snipe it, but you'll have like 10 minutes. It's like not an option. You need to wait 10 minutes at least to show your liquidity pool there. I personally don't recommend you to rug it. You could grow your project, but I'm seeing some people are taking advantage out of this thing, like farming tons of coins each day. I'm not like them. So if you look at your chart, it's not going to be seen on the screen right away. Now we see that. So like not that much snipers there. After a while, some people will see it, I guess. We got 0.5, it's pretty good. If you be patient and if you work on your thing, you'll get more buys, right? Some people will sell, don't bother. Just focus on the process, okay? For me, like 2 souls is a lot of money for doing something like in 5 minutes, but still I want more, so I'm always pushing my projects, updating the screen and stuff. So while you waiting for your liquidity to show up there, you could just hang out, wait for. I don't like this, but oh, someone said no, it's not that important. So while waiting your liquidity to show up there, watch the graph. I'll skip, so I don't want to be boring. You'll see how much you could actually make by creating the token instead of using pump.fun's stupid method like getting ripped off by those clowns. Oh, we got 0.7. That's really good, man. Like we made, I don't know, 1.85, something like that. I don't know, $400 already. This is crazy, you know. And you could like use all that time for market your project instead of dealing with all that saturated fucking, you know, epileptic, how do you pronounce it? I don't know, all that crap. I don't want to see that pump.fun's UI anymore. It's going to die. It's dying. I can see that. And if you put like more effort in it, like creating a website, Telegram group, whatever, I'm pretty sure you can get rich with this thing. And you don't even need to know how to code. The Ares.tools is like really good, you know. It helps you to skip that part. I mean, if you know how to code, you'll probably end up doing it from your computer. I don't know, but I'm not that nerd guy, so I don't care. So I'm gonna show you new things later. Like I'll do a solid launch with more funds. So make sure you subscribe and share the video. So our liquidity pool is right there. I'm not rugging it. I'm just showing you how to rug it. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.